The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Mark Twain. A very good morning to everyone present here. I'm Samyukta Sridhar, Secretary of Ieee Uvce Computer Society. It's my privilege to welcome all of you to the inaugural ceremony of Codefury 5.0. I call upon Samhita Guru Prasad to invoke the presence of the Almighty on this auspicious day through an invocation song.
प्रणमाम्यहं श्रीगौरीसुतं प्रणमाम्यहं श्रीगौरीसुतं प्रणमाम्यहं श्रीगौरीसुतं प्रणमाम्यहं श्रीगौरीसुतं फणितल् वासुदेव भक्तं सततं प्रणमाम्यहं श्रीगौरीसुतं फणितल् वासुदेव भक्तं सततं प्रणमाम्यहं श्रीगौरीसुतं गणनाथ सेवितं गणनाथ ममरवृन्दसेवितं गणनाथ ममरवृन्दसेवितं गणनाथ ममरवृन्दसेवितं फणिहारभूषितं मुनिगणवन्दितं फणिहारभूषितं मुनिगणवन्दितं फणिहारभूषितं मुनिगणवन्दितं प्रणमाम्यहं श्रीगौरीसुतं फणितल् वासुदेव भक्तं सततं प्रणमाम्यहं श्रीगौरीसुतं धृतचारुमोदकं गजमुखं श्रितहरामिह गर्वभञ्जनं नतलोलसन्तोषदायकं 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 श्रितभक्तपालकं सिद्धिविनायकं श्रितभक्तपालकं सिद्धिविनायकं श्रितभक्तपालकं सिद्धिविनायकं प्रणमाम्यहं श्रीगौरीसुतं फणितल् वासुदेव भक्तं सततं प्रणमाम्यहं श्रीगौरीसुतं.
Thank you, Samhita. Today, with technology taking the forefront in every sector, the need for curiosity and smart solutions to real-world problems is growing like never before. Codefury has witnessed some feisty performances in the last 4 years and some ingenious solutions, and we really hope to see the same this year as well. I wish to call upon Shaman GM to welcome everyone present here.
Good morning, everyone. I consider it as an honor to welcome Dr. H.N. Ramesh Sir, Principal, University Vishweshwaraya College of Engineering. It is a privilege to have you here, sir.
Thank you.
Now, in her absence, it's my pleasure to welcome Dr. P. Deepa Shanai Ma'am, Chair, IEEE Bangalore Section, Branch Advisor, IEEE UVCE. Pleasure to have you here, ma'am. I would like to warmly welcome Dr. Vimala Ma'am, Chairperson of Computer Science Engineering, Dr. B.P. Harish Sir, Chairperson of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Dr. T.S. Prasanna Sir, Chairperson of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Dr. C.K. Umesh Sir, Chairperson of Mechanical Engineering, Dr. Ravi Kumar Sir, Chairperson of Civil Engineering, Dr. Pedagadi Pawan Kumar Sir, Chairperson of Architecture Department, in their absence. Now, I would also like to welcome Dr. Kiran K. Sir, Branch Councillor, IEEE UEC. We would like to welcome we would like to welcome all our faculty of UEC. We also extend our heartiest welcome to our enthusiastic participants who, year after year, fuel the spirit of Codefury with their creativity, agility, and prowess.
Now, I request Dr. H.N. Ramesh sir to speak a few words.
Good morning to everybody. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Dear head of the departments, chairpersons who are present here, and Professor Deepa Shana in absentia, she will be joining shortly, and Professor Kiran, my dear students, participants, ladies and gentlemen. So I am always the proud of the IEEE always. I'm very much impressed. I want to repeat again and again all my, participation in any of the functions of IEEE. It is the unique, I would say it's a unique organization of our UVC voluntary organization, where a number of students are participating, and they have been encouraged to be exposed, and also the talents are coming to the surface in this, because that is very, very important in UVC. UVC, itself is a very unique college, and also it is different from other colleges. Therefore, the government of Karnataka has recognized UVC as one of the the institution of eminence of Karnataka, and from March 25th of this year, in fact, UVC has become university as per the government order. We have already dissociated from the Bangalore University from March 25th. March 25th, you are in the IIT level, because there is a central government policy. You can have only one IIT in a particular state and one NIT. So the state government has decided to give it a IIT status. Therefore, in the IITs, the board of governors will be there and followed by the director. And the process already started. And Sri Muthuraman of Tata Steel, who is a Padma Bhushan, has been appointed as the board of governors, BOG, and then slowly the other members of the board, director, everybody will be appointed by the government of Karnataka, and we require around 500 crores to make it to the IIT level. The infrastructure facilities in spite of the poor infrastructure facilities, our students are excelling, and IEEE's contribution is one among them. IEEE not only do this the professional activities, it will also include involve itself in the lot of voluntary organization. I cannot forget during admissions, first year admissions, the contribution of IEEE is enormous, and also during COVID, IEEE volunteers helped us in organizing the pre-vaccination to the students, and they are successful. And it is having multifacial activities, and this computer society is one of the most prominent society of IEEE of UVC. And of course, it is a platform for students of all the branches, irrespective of the branches. Nowadays, whether you're civil, mechanical, and electrical. These are the core branches. When recently we had 1972 batches reunion, 50 years. They were telling, they used to study all the branches up to third year. It's a 5 years branch. After third year, the toppers would have been allotted electronics, electrical, like that. Up to third year, they used to study all the subjects of civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, etc. But over a period of time, only first year, it is confined to only first year. First year, you study all the subjects. So this computer society is one of the platform wherein all the branches of the engineering are working, and computer learning computer techniques is order of the day. I still remember our civil engineering students, the Sandhya, I think fourth semester, and she is a vice chair or something like that. And it's good that the architecture is also being involved, and computer knowledge is very important. And every day you have to learn so many things, you know and every day it will be outdated one. My wife is also a computer science engineer, and she's a software engineer in Juniper Networks. So she's a 1990 batch, fourth batch of computer science in the country. So she is one of the senior most software engineer, 1 in 100 in India. She used to tell me even today, she's telling, we have to study every day, otherwise we'll be outdated. So technology, will be improving so fast. You know, that's what I learned about the importance of computers. And of course, I studied. I got training. When I was in a private college, I went to REC Suratkal at that time. Now it is NIT. I still remember 1987. I went for a computer training, and then I know a little bit about it, but I'm not so professional as the professional computer science engineers. But anyway, this Codefury is one of the important technique. The event. It is annual national level mm, hackathon was done by IEEE, and I understand there are 466 participants for this Code Fury 5. It is the highest number of the participants, and also it's a the uh, important national event. I'm sure the students of UVC, particularly IEEE, will bring UVC to the highest level by conducting the activities like this, and educating all branches of students about the importance of computers. And of course, CS, IS, and artificial intelligence and machine learning people, they'll be naturally they'll be learning, but it's not enough. The classroom teaching is not at all enough. So you should keep on updating your knowledge every day in the computer techniques. So of course, everybody, even today, the technology is improved so much. Even a vegetable vendor, will be having the mobile, and he knows the WhatsApp, and the auto fellow, he will have the app, the Ola app, and he's more computer friendly. That shows, the computer is the learning, the knowledge of computer is order of the day, irrespective of the branches. Okay, but of course, the basic branches, civil, mechanical, and electrical, are fading away. But one should know that the civil, mechanical, electrical are the core branches, and it should be evergreen branches, because without civil, no infrastructure will be done, and no machinery will be installed without mechanical, and electrical, no electricity. But if all these three combine together, then the other branches will emerge. So all will have the inter relationship, and finally, all these branches need some computer applications. So during our time, we used to have calculators. Nowadays, we have a lot of software programmings for the the structural design, etc. And it is it is actually modified, and it has become easy. And now so many structures are being designed because of the computers, the softwares. So like that, the current knowledge is of computers helping the technology to grow to the highest level. And also, lastly but not the least, I would like to mention here that the Indian mythology and the Indians are very good in technology. We are having the inheritance. So in US, most of the technocrats, the top level, are Indians. Because for example, I would like to remind all of you, the Wright brothers have invented the flight in 1905. But Indians know about this Pushpa Kumar. 5,000 years ago, Ravan kidnapped Sita using Pushpa Kumar only, isn't it? Like that, the relay of cricket matches, etc. We came to we are enjoying it. The first World Cup in 1984, when India won. I was in final year BI. We used to see in the DD. Now the relaying techniques has been improved like anything. But whereas Indians, were knowing about the relay during our Mahabharat. The Mahabharat war was relayed to the blind father of Duryodhan by Vidura. Okay, that relaying technique was there. So the technology wise, we have the inheritance. I can say in civil language, the vastu of technology is very good for Indians, and that is the inheritance. We are the world beaters. And this type of activities will help the young minds, the students, right from first year to final year. No, definitely it will give some insight, and will improve your the knowledge, and also the you will be open up, because brain is one of the important material wherein the whole computer science and engineering was you know derived from the brain conference in 1971. Okay, I used to tell about this in my student to my class, in my class, to the students. 1971, when the brain conference was held, they were astonished to see that there is a memory window, etc. And then they have stated that after that, the brain is having 10 miniature computers in our brain, and only Shakuntala Devi and few others have utilized it to maximum extent. And we should always know that our brain is more capable, and you have to close the file, and then go for the next one. And then you should not allow our brain to have virus. Means if you get angry and other things, so the virus will come. So you have to apply always the antivirus to your brain in the form of pranayam, yoga, walking, etc. The young brains, if you do that, and if you give, if you close, suppose if you are in a classroom, you have to concentrate, and then you close your file, go to the next one, like that, and then you can open the file anytime, so that you can remember. Brain is capable of that. So let us utilize that, in a to the maximum extent, and hope IEEE will do its best in organizing this type of events, and improve the mental ability, and the creativeness in the students' mind, and all the branches should be involved. Even civil and architecture, although they are in JB campus, the campus, two campus technique is there, and even government of Karnataka and IACD has agreed for the two campus technique. So both the campuses are involved in the IIT level, and 50 acres of land is earmarked for in Janabharti, and 12.5 acres in KR Circle. Totally 62.5 acres are there for the time being, and 85 crores building is coming up in mechanical block, 7 floors. The master plan, etc., is over. And then shortly the work will be started. So the 27 crores has to be released from the Bangalore University. So once it is released, the construction work will start. And then we may start the space technology and other branches, aerospace and other branches, so that in all the branches, IEEE's role is very very important, and hope students will be inspired by this type of activities. I once again congratulate the organizers, particularly Professor Kiran and Professor Deepa Shanai, for their encouragement to the students. And from my side, I always be with you, and do good, do your best. This is extracurricular activities definitely help the college to reach to the highest level. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು.
Ah, okay.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
Okay, thank you.
ಕಿರಣ್, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮಾರು ನಂಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಹಾ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ನಾನು ದೀಪಾ ಶೆಣೈ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್. ಓಕೆ,
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
go ahead with the activities.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಮೇಡಮ್.
Okay, good morning. Good morning, all. I'm very happy to be the part of this inauguration of Codefury 5.0. Happy that Cisco is also collaborating with us for this event along with Rakuten. Try to do a good job. Sir, we came to know that more than 400 entries were there this time. 466. And I was very happy to see the poster in the Facebook saying that registration closed. Okay, because of overwhelming registration, they closed the registration. So very happy to see that.
466 from different colleges.
Yes, I think, yeah. All over the country, right? Shubham?
All over the globe, ma'am. We have participants from Dubai and Dublin too this time.
Oh, very nice.
Oh, very nice, very nice.
Very
So,
nice, Krutin.
all
Yeah.
over the world participants are there. Very nice. I didn't know that.
Yes. Try to do a good job, fair job, and enjoy the event. And day after tomorrow, we have our 75th um, Independence Day at 9:30. In spite of your busy schedule, kindly try to participate in this event also, because it's a unique event. We are celebrating the 75th one. So I request all the students to join us on Monday. Okay, with this short speech, I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
Okay, and finally, I also invite all the participants of all the students of UVC and others to participate in Azadi Ka Amrutotsav 75th Independence Day. And the flag hoisting will be there at sharp 9:30 a.m. All of you, please attend the function.
Thank you, sir and ma'am, for your kind words.
And
Next.
also one more thing, in your DP, in your WhatsApp, you can have this flag. In your house also you can purchase, and from today onwards you can hoist the flag and you can have the flags. You can
But they are
purchase it.
telling that all of us having a flag as DP might confuse the people.
No. This is the
They are
order.
forwarding the
No, this is the registration. This is the registrar order from the Bangalore University, and it's Government of India order also. Everybody
Okay.
should have the flag in your DP. Okay, at least for 3 days. Afterwards you can
Okay.
change. 13,
Okay,
14.
sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
All
Thank you
the
so much.
best, and looking forward your participation in the Azadi Ka Amrutotsav 75th Independence Day on 15th at 9:30 a.m. Okay, all the best.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
sir.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
Have
ಸರ್.
a wonderful time.
Thank
Kiran,
you,
take
Kiran.
care. Take care of the event. Okay, Kiran?
Yeah,
ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಯಾ.
thank you.
Thank you, teachers. We'll definitely keep all of these points in mind. I now call upon Girish Bharadwaj to explain the rules and regulations and also to announce the problem statement for Code Fury 5.0.
Thank you, Samyukta. Good morning to one and all present here. Now, I would like to explain the rules and regulations of the hackathon. You agree that the details provided in the registration form are true and complete to the best of your knowledge. The Code Fury 5.0 organizing committee is in no way responsible for any incorrect information provided by the participants. Once the track is selected in the form, it cannot be changed under any circumstances. Any violation of the eligibility criteria mentioned on the website will lead to immediate disqualification of the team. The participants can use any IDE to design the web or iOS or Android application. Participants found downloading entire templates will be disqualified, but participants are permitted to use the internet for small blocks of code to implement a certain functionality to aid them in building the web page or app. The participants will be given some functionalities or features to implement at regular intervals via the WhatsApp group. Extra points will be awarded to those teams implementing these features. Pushing the code to the GitHub repository at regular intervals is compulsory for both web and app development, as plagiarism will be judged based on that. It's advised to have meaningful commits. The last commit to the GitHub repository containing the source code of the application should be made before 8:29 a.m. 14th August 2022. All submissions that will be mentioned should be submitted via Google Form before 8:30 a.m. of 14th of August 2022. The final winner will be chosen based on their presentation and the innovation behind their web or mobile app. The final decision is based on the sole discretion of the panel of judges. The decision made by the panel of judges is final and will not be amended under any circumstances. The participants will have to meet the instruction given by the Code Fury 5.0 organizing committee and the Code Fury 5.0 volunteering committee. In case of any disputes, IEEE UVC's decision is final. Now I would like to reveal the problem statement for Code Fury 5.0. The topic is on promote/help or sustain innovations. Startups are booming more than ever. The need for innovation solutions will always be on rise. But here is the issue. Many startups aren't growing due to lack of funding, guidance, and support. Develop a web or app which aims to solve the above problem. The solution must be to provide an environment which will support innovations by individuals. Now, I would like to walk through the submission format for all the three tracks. For web development, the participants need to create a folder on the Google Drive which must contain the following and submit its public link via the Google form, which will be sent through the WhatsApp groups. A document containing the team name along with the names and phone number of the participants and the link to the GitHub repository of the entire application. The document should also contain a brief description of their application, its functionality, and the way it solves the given problem statement. Important note, below the description, make sure to mention the prompts that you have implemented. For web development, the participants are also requested to host their website on any platform such as Heroku, Netlify, or AWS, and the link to the website should also be mentioned in the document. A screen recording of the way the application functions. Make sure to include all the features in the video. The name of the Google Drive folder should be your team name. Now, for the app development track, the participants must create the Google Drive and again contain the following in the documents in the folder. But here, we would like to tell that we need an APK file of the application, but it's not required in case of iOS application. For the UI UX track, if it is a website, please host it in the platforms such as Heroku or Netlify and AWS and upload the link. If it is an app, the participants are requested to upload APK files to the drive.
With that, we come to the close to the inaugural ceremony of Code Fury 5.0. We would like to thank Dr. H.N. Ramesh sir, Dr. P. Deepa Shanoy ma'am, Dr. Vimala ma'am, Dr. B.P. Harish sir, Dr. T.S. Prasanna sir, Dr. C.K. Umesh sir, Dr. Ravi Kumar sir, Dr. Pedagadi Pavan sir, and Dr. Kiran sir, and all the faculty in their absence and also for joining this meet and gracing the event. We would also like to thank our diamond sponsor, Rakuten, Our associate sponsor, Geeks for Geeks. All participants will be given Geeks for Geeks discount coupons worth rupees 300. Winners, discount coupons worth rupees 2000. And Geeks for Geeks will also be presenting merchandise to the winners. We would also like to thank our other associate sponsor, Cisco Thinkubator and NASCOM Foundation. Winners will be awarded with Amazon gift vouchers worth rupees 10,000. Thank you, sponsors, for supporting us and encouraging us to strive towards innovations. Ieee Uvce Computer Society wishes the best of luck to all participants and feel free to contact us for any queries. Thank you.
All the very best to all of you, all the participants and the organizers.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
I'll leave the meeting. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.